Hi everyone, welcome back to the Edgewater Avenue YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm excited to be making the Logan one piece, which is a reversible one piece that has a sexy 80s style look. It has a thong cut in the back and some side boob. For materials, you will need a yard of swimwear fabric, 1/4-inch swimwear elastic, an acrylic ruler, a loop turner, pins or clips, and scissors or a rotary cutter. I'm using the pattern for the Logan one piece, which will be available at edgewateravenue.com as well as linked in the description. The first step is cutting our pieces. I'm cutting on the fold, which is why I only have half the pattern assembled. For the front piece as well as the back, I'm going to cut 2 in the lining and 2 in the outer fabric. Then I will be cutting 2 straps according to the measurements provided in the pattern. Next, match your front pieces and back pieces with right sides together. Take some scissors and trim the seam allowance where the V shape meets on the front piece. This will allow us to sew this V in a straight line, without having the serger knife cut through. Once you've done this, pin and sew the leg holes, neckline, and armholes on both pieces. If you're using 1/4-inch elastic, attach it as you go. Fold each of your straps in half and sew the raw edges, attaching elastic as you go. Then, use a loop turner to bring each strap to the right side. Insert each strap through the gusset and place them into the strap openings of the front piece. Sew to secure the straps down. Take the front piece to the right side, and with the back piece still inside out, insert the straps inside of the strap openings. Again, sew the straps to secure. Now it's time to attach the sides and the gusset. Match the sides with right sides together and then envelope the entire suit inside. Make sure right sides are matched together. Then pin and sew along the sides and the gusset across all 4 layers of fabric. Seam rip a 1 to 2 inch hole where you will be able to take the suit all the way back to the right side. So through the hole we left, take everything back to the right side. Finish off the hole with a top stitch or an invisible stitch, and that completes the Logan one piece. And here's how it turned out. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you'd like to see some more photos of the Logan one piece, then visit edgewateravenue.com or click the link in the description. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.